Each year, counterfeiting and diversion drain businesses of billions of dollars. And each year, those numbers grow. Simply put, criminals won't stop selling knockoffs or diverting products through illicit supply channels if there's nothing stopping them. And simply put, StellaGuard stops them. StellaGuard prints a serialized QR barcode on label material that features dozens of 3D holograms. The pattern and number of holographic stars are randomized and virtually impossible to replicate. No two labels are the same. When your customer takes a picture of the label, the StellaGuard app opens or the App Store prompts them to download it. Once they register, the app verifies the authenticity of the label. Policing is simplified because the consumer gains the power to detect counterfeits. Not only that, but your business gains traceability all the way to the customer. StellaGuard opens new doors for brand loyalty campaigns. Every market can transform its labels into fully implemented security solutions that bolster consumer confidence, protect brands, and establish marketing relationships. Fortify security, multiply opportunities with StellaGuard. For more information, visit Covectra.com today.